Hi, I'm John Sherman.
And I'm Kim, and we want to show you our newest renovation of our laundry room. Behind this door is a kind of nice laundry room, but what we'd like to do is have a lot more storage. So we want to knock out this wall,
Which is right now a coat closet.
and we'd like to keep it a closet, but have it repositioned over here. And we'd obviously lose access to the garage, which will be put in the new addition. We are going to blow this out right to the point of the tree, which was severely damaged anyway, and then have a set of French doors so that we have outdoor access from here to make it a true mudroom. We're also going to tear out all the cabinets and put down some Carrara marble. I'd like to replace the tile.
Mm-hmm.
John, how do you feel about that?
I feel great about that, Kim.
About demoing the tile?
Sure.
Okay.
Why not? Throw caution to the wind.
And just repaint, and that should be enough work, I think.
We'll be putting in a set of French doors at the end of the bump out. And I think it'll be gorgeous.
And we are really ready to get started because the kids' backpacks take up so much room. We have so much laundry. I would just like a whole separate area for backpacks and laundry storage, sorry.
There you go. That about sums it up.
And we're ready to rock and roll. Thanks for listening.